Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech today. And as you saw, uh, sometimes we get the hard disk percentage 100% in our task manager. As you can see in my task manager, it's around 2%, 3%, that's it. Because I have already tried these sharing methods to get my hard disk issue resolved, and also I have installed SSD in my system, so this is just getting uh, as much as fast. So I'm not facing any kind of hard disk related issue. So okay, if you are facing this kind of issue, so how we can just fix this, let's see. And I have just mentioned here two types of solution. First of all, the registry edit, and second, you can also try with a small command. So let's try with a registry edit first. I have created a small PPT here. You can see the steps, and through these steps we will get it resolved. First of all, we need to find store hci.sys driver if we have installed in our system. So I'm going to start our device manager. In device manager, you need to find out IDE ATA/ATP controllers, and through this just click properties, drivers, and need to select device instant path. Here you can see this is the exact path of our system driver, which we need to change through registry edit. So I have already opened, because it's a kind of long path. So I have already opened the path, and according to PPT, you can see device manager and then AHCI, and then I'm going to find out the driver details, and you can see these values. Okay, and then this is the exact path where we need to go through registry settings. So H key local machines, system control, enum, PCI, and then so on. So you can see in my registry editor, and let's close this so you can get better result. Res edit, and I'm going to minimize this. Otherwise you can also find out through this. Just go to local machine, and then system, and then current control set, and then enum, and then find out PCI, and then these are the lots of drivers which already installed. So we need to find out the exact value of these numbers. These numbers are already mentioned here in your just a second. Yes, you can see here, this is the mentioned number 3 and 11, 5, 8, 3, 6, 5, 9, and 0, and B8. So this number is already mentioned here, is the same. So I'm going to just drop down this path, then device parameters, then interrupt management, and then message signal interrupt. Okay, and then just go to MSI supported, right click, modify, make this value as a 0. Okay, and then close this. And then you can also see I have shown the same path and selections, message signal setting, and then change that value. You can see we just went here and then changing the value, and then the hard disk value is 0. And if you still, and just also you need to restart from here. If you just whenever just you done these settings from here, then just take a restart of your system, and then If you are still getting the same issue, then come to your system desktop, open terminal with administrator command, and then type net.exe space stop space semicolon windows search semicolon, then press enter. I have already just pressed in my system, you can see. So this was got successfully, and that's it. uh, in both scenario, your system hard disk 100% value will be resolved. If still not resolved, then you need to reinstall your system OS, and then you will get your system issue resolved. So thank you very much today. Have a nice day.